Success. It's really difficult to define success because for different people there are different ways of success. There are those that think of money as something really important. There are those that don't value it that much. But anyways, for this week's assignment we're learning about acting as if. And I'm going to tell you something really interesting about that. If you don't have enough preparation, you only are pretending. And that is going to be a trouble. Pretending to be successful is not acting as if. Pretending to be successful is just lying to yourself. When we say act as if, we really mean that we gotta put in the work. We're reading one of the lessons for this week that they are doing this cocktail party when they are pretending to be rich and they already achieved their financial goals. And I'm going to say that is not acting as if. Acting as if is putting in the work. When we talk about successful people, they have successful habits, and that's what we're trying to achieve. We need to learn how to be successful, how to prepare to be successful. It is about putting the time and the work. It's not about knowing how to spend money or how to take some drinks or how to spend quality time, for a resort. That's not being successful. Being successful is working hard towards our goals, preparing ourselves to counter any problem we can find. And if we find a problem that we can counter, we have the intel to learn from that experience. That's what being successful is about. It's not about money, it's not about cocktails, and it's not about parties. It is about work, intelligence, and mixing it all up to make others successful also. This is my video for this week, and thank you for listening to me.